Good morning. I want to go over the steps it takes to go to Flipgrid, watch the video I made, and how to respond. I want you to watch carefully because I do expect to see everyone in this class respond to this Flipgrid by the end of the day on Wednesday. The first thing you're going to do is go up to the address bar and type in the URL code flipgrid.com and hit enter. You're going to see a screen that looks like this. If you'll notice at the top, the address bar says info.flipgrid.com. It also looks like it's an educator page because it doesn't have a sign-in for you. You're going to scroll down to this portion that says enter Flipgrid code. You're going to have a Flipgrid code in your assignment. I'm going to type in a Flipgrid code to show you what it looks like. Privet 1500 is a code for one of the classes. Then I'm going to click on the blue arrow and it asks me, do I want to sign in? It tells me the grade for this one is 6th grade. Yours will say your grade. It says who made it. That would be me, T. Privet. You're going to log in using Google. When you click that, it's going to ask you who you are. Your email address should be there. I'm going to click on as a student, and it's going to open up to look like this. It says 6th grade. Say hello on Flipgrid. You're going to scroll down, and you'll see my video. Now, I already made a video, but I'm going to make another one to show you. In the video, I'm asking you to just tell me what you're doing with your free time other than schoolwork, because I do know you have been doing a lot of schoolwork for your social studies, science, and math, and reading and writing. I'm going to click on this big green and white plus. When I click on that, I get a choice. It says it's loading, and then you can see my face. Now, all I have to do is click on the record, and I say, 1, 2, 3. Hi, guys. How are you? You're going to answer my questions on the video, and I know you don't all like to see yourself. I don't either. But when I turn this on, I suddenly notice I have my yellow glasses on and my hair looks bad. That's just the way it's going to be. I just want to see your faces, and I want to hear what you have to say. So when you're done recording, you click the big circle. You can play it if you want. I don't like to because I don't like hearing my voice. Hi guys, how are you? Then I'm going to hit next. Now it says take a selfie because that's what's going to be frozen on the screen. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit next. It says don't close the window. So this was, I'm going to write a demonstration because that's what it was, a demonstration. Then I'm going to hit the title. I'm going to write first Flipgrid because this is our first Flipgrid in a series. I'm not going to put a link because I don't need one. I'm going to click submit video. Ta-da. I'm going to hit complete, and there you go. By the end of the day on Wednesday, I want to see a picture from every single one of you guys. Then when you're done, when you see your picture there next to mine, all you have to do is hit log out and you're done. Okay? I'm going to be assigning a few Flipgrids in the next few weeks, depending on how long we're out of school. Okay?